I think the country's progressed for the worst, but people are starting to come around and start helping people, helping each other. Communities are starting to help each other, and they're getting better about it.
It's the communities and people coming out. I mean, it's the feeling of chasing the train. I don't know if you've ever done it before, but if a lot of people are in Daint right now, here in a few minutes, once it leaves Daint, this place you'll see hundreds of people come in here all at one time.
I was coming through when I was a youngin'.
Santa Claus train.
Yeah.
We came while the children were little, and then last year was her first year back when I had my little granddaughter Ariana. She got to see it for the first time.
We look forward to it every year. I mean, knowing that that's a tradition, that if there is a child in the area that's not going to get something for Christmas, this is a hope that they will.
That's what the world's about. It's kids. I work with kids every day, you know, at school, and that's what it's all about. It's for the kids.
I think it's a wonderful tradition, and we enjoy coming and getting something from it. It's really wonderful.
We don't have that one. We don't have that one. Snowman.
People around here, they've always had to struggle, so I look at this area right now as coming up, and a lot of people have more hope right now, to be honest with you.